The next time obedi some more assembly bio no, me the person we be bia wadwini mu. What you na choro? Me the person we bia wadwini mu na hwa de opi. We be ma yo bia.
Na oni me no.
Free oko.
Ododen, no ododen.
Enu ntia. He. An say wo dwuma mu di no. Kwa donto ofui.
Me boss na frame me na cheze. Ye ko sim kakra. On say ma clock 1000 bi. Oh. Inti no ya gada cheze ye sim ye ko wiwi bi. Ye ko simu. You got JD near the Bacardi's, all the wines, name it, all the spirits near the day. Well, until you're just waiting for me, I gotta go. All right.
Ofa, we dem Monsieur can wine. Monsieur me can improve for you, ma. Ofa said we age me.
Oh.
What clock 1,000 na? Committee and can say oh ko asase so. O messing for munche na muncha blocks. So the original says also oh ko Chris lunch o say fa. Ofa fie nyo, e fie nye. Ujina asisi e. Nana owe krase oyare. Obueni, ube peska da bo brane e bia sunu ujina says oh ko Chris lunch.
Hi.
Hi.
My name is Alan, but people do call me Alan Cash.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyway, I live in a neighborhood. What about you?
I'm Nikki.
Wow, Nikki, very beautiful name. Gorgeous. You look smart. Do you live around or something?
Yeah.
Oh. Let's meet you around here. I don't know. If you wouldn't mind, can we be friends?
Okay.
Anyway, may I know where you're going?
I'm meeting someone at the airport.
Oh, the airport? I'm going there too.
Really?
Yeah, so if you wouldn't mind, I can take you over.
Okay.
Shall we? What do you do for a living?
I'm an entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur?
Yeah.
Wow. Well, I'm a businessman.
Oh, okay.
A business tycoon for that matter.
Oh, really?
Oh, yes.
What type of business?
You know, I import and export goods from like cars, you know, building appliances, electrical appliances. You know, I supply them to the government companies in Ghana, you know.
Wow.
Yeah, I do a lot of business too with the ministers and stuff like that. You know, yeah,
wow.
Basically, you know, they actually come to me for a lot of, you know, business and stuff like that. So yeah, most of the time, you know, men like us, we're not easy to be found, you know. Yeah. So, I'm actually a nice man, you know. I don't mind to turn your life around. You understand?
Are you sure?
Yeah. If you don't mind, we can pass through my house where I live.
Really?
Yes, really.
I mean, I don't want anybody to come and beat me.
Really? For such a handsome man like me, you don't have a problem. Nobody will beat you.
So, are you trying to tell me that you're single?
Single? You don't have a problem.
Efo. Anya ma nwa mama mi no. Anya omumia mom na mo enwo ya mi na mi no. Eni ewia na ye won no abla mo no emi omia menye what no one in it. Then I'm new in your why or any any. Now, many woman when it now when yet need. I mean, no one, I mean, oh, you need me. Oh, no, no, me, I am not land. No, you want me know it.
If already I have some papa na wakana. And the same mama do mo nka no kre. Obi kon put me do ko chane ma me papa. Enkosi babia. Ani nti na me ankasa matete me mo remu amanya bibi kakra me de. Me ye wa ase me pese me bebu me kwase bi. Nti se na nka me pese me ye den. Medwuna ware ho. Na se se wo be ka kire me die. Medwuna ho, e de be ko adwundwum ma hwede nyame be ye den. Ebe. Nti if I saw as handsome as you are, besides, we knew our life.
Yeah. I'm a very young, handsome, energetic, and the youngest tycoon in town, for that matter. So what I say, Alan Cash back up. No size. So, and I'm really ready to mingle with a very beautiful, pretty, gorgeous lady like you. What you say? Into war honor for what you mommy. Let me find international. Maybe what you know. Oh, let's sound life. It will go different level. What you say? Me a business tycoon in town. Me running all over the place. Me grab goods from America, UK, all the European countries, about Ghana. As I mean, I'm a teso. No size. So, and I'm really ready to mingle with a very beautiful, pretty, gorgeous lady like you.
I mean, you want my mat, you won't know.
Yes,
I want a minute. Up in your room, yeah. I am it. It young in the 9 meat and meat in a maybe. I may block me, you by any let me meet me, yeah. And the met there. Oh, no one way with me, I mean, and I'm near. Oh, yeah. But no one. Then I know me when I mean, not none, I mean, one year, me, 1 year, I need me, and I know one. No, yeah.
Matthias says, you see our country minute. Me come mammy home next week. It's been a mobile Canada BC more, so it's a list and a kind of majaba, Namajaba, because it's in who say we will be near a daft man, Kanka cow bob run. No worry, can be a bear.
What idea, what
See? The whole place is mine. Mia, see, because I'm a TC guarantee for 6 months. That's my idea.
When you and yet, Amma, and yet,
baby. Nikki. Nikki.
Nikki.
Come on, baby. Baby, I came to introduce my friend to you.
Yo.
My friend to you. That's my girlfriend.
Hi. I hope you guys are not coming inside.
Oh, baby, madam.
No. Me pacho, when you say, be a banana person over by inside, but two album, me ye cry, and besides, one can't show me say, or do you be ever if you are say, and so nice meeting you. I'll be inside, right?
Okay, I'll be with you soon. Say, in my life, why?
Yeah.
My girlfriend.
Hello.
Alright.
Epacho. Say na wokasa na say. Wo de ba asasi so na say. Wo be fa na asasi so na say wo hwene no ya ka atale.
Yeah, oh my no na me
Baby, I don't for no hospital no wadi there.
Baby Mbacho Mate.
How can such a person be your friend?
Me didn't know why. Some my girlfriend there. My girlfriend.
Me no good morning, you met me. Morning, and then Yamako. Make him, make you are not in it. No, I'm not letting one more him long for me, long met and went meeting. I wouldn't even warn more. And you may I eat ya or did ya one. So me too. Why you let we have mama. What do you mean? Yeah, but when you want to say yes. The two you know, Manu, come, nah, it am in them on it. Oh, I'm not why you're boy near. When you got not no. Now, when you mean I me in one, and we then I don't know more. Me the man and it and I know, but the other one the other not I think I me in your market in the year, me not let me walk with him, and me mark near mark we. I met now in the air one who make me when you got Nana, what my meetness in your now. Then the mayor we are near Mark and me meet Muzumi Miano, what the man me now near me up where ye come. And one and say, no.
Nsema ka cheme ni amatini nyina. What you say? But mpese me ka choza nkwasi asem na aka cheme. Oh, yes. If you ask me away, obi ani ni movement. Wo movement. Na mensu wo movement. What you low life amount. And I mensu me choose some person me live high profile life. So what's your problem? Why complaining and lamenting? I didn't think I'm living here or yasa. Huh? Why do you jealous me? If you live in Okra, boss with this kama no. Ubia jene die, ubia chusu die. What die? I got on say. Where di here? If you tiri hone shirt out, for now. We nothing foot throw basa na din nam. Prefi out him. And I mention me chusu so me de be top. And near my yeme ho. Me di sie me ready any. Me invest into that. After that, my yenny here so I want it. If you cratch, if you are a person, make a John life for pa now. Live with John. Sister. Na mo to me in class mo be. Ma hwe mani musa. Ma hwe mo atwe sa mo me do that. E ma na say.
Baba woni to your kwantintin. Na ye banaka sambe say sin kwan so. Nyasam kitwa o. Bra ya bra se bedu krom ha no ma yempe nenim.
Ye da nyame asese ma bedu asom bi.
Amen.
Na I had here me nkwa na me wa. Emo na me ne my girlfriend na e wo fi na we pie kakra. Okọ ba bi o ma ene. Nti agi se ochina. So you can sleep over. Why? Yeah, nti no. I had here boko boni bi eni ha.
Na me so nkwa ne boni. Ejawa wani tia. Abrabo le di akodu ene uhu de nipa ekọ sise ko no ma enko uko wechi enko uchi enje eja be ma ya me ne wu akwala yi odni tishu ba o ma fi na meti mo ya sha akwala ya manyame adu sise weti na wi school JSS ai se so to afuga sise na babo ni nko yiye me bre ejinyame adum obitu ya nkra seja bibia ba wonsem kakra wadanfo Efo PC See, I be able to say, ah, be able to say, never my partner, be able to say, the name to warrior day. Me for me, Ben Beneja, what I bear me, so look at Mammy. Mammy is so yarred out, maybe beyond me so bra. Intimate by an amanante saying no. Name mum. No 4 piece, no can't send be says, see, as can I bow and some no more than no than pa. And man send me near coffee braid. Bra, coco, nothing to move back. I drew a cock, not a baneba, no queerba, no meba, bra miss row. Cigars don't prank us, said scamper rough. To bra miss row, say no crab dear. Any day. For some that's one, no, near Copadum, with his rich row. That you know what I see on our so more. To Miss Rose Kedia. Investment, no, and Embraha. Into me by a master one.
Efo prasini no wa he ton kobia. Ofui biabra. Oh, pin sion. Jina say. Na me no nkasa.
Ane me minia no muni ane me no
Kawanu tum. Wo me kasa na okasa. What for the me uza wani bre me pa. Se shepe ma ye nyina se wani bre. We within the papa and you try car. What it? Number 2 come 3 fu and no pampas yes. 23 will be. And who Nancy a Phoebe. As a babe, over 1 year, and so you 3 down. We may say what Monsieur won't to Quamu, our Nancy will bone put on a Monsieur of our down for. And I may do a chinu bell of ye. Ye free, I say, when you call Miss with fear, very poor house. Some make us an ocasa. Running, you had the audacity so by coming and me fear for catching the fair. Maybe the Missika about Brabone. Two Abraham Mabel made the Missika Edin Quasem. Who can you advise me? Wait me a term the me for Missika here. I am giving you warning. The next time obedi someone send me biono, may the person about me be a dinimu. What's your catcher? May the person be a dinimu. I got to remember my hobby. Free Uncle.
For Jordan, no Jordan.
Don't hear. Hey, I say what do I know? Why don't you? Oh, free.